Hello, this is Steve with the free Bullion Investment Guide. Today is April 5th, and I'm doing a review and outlook video for Bitcoin. In review of the last video that I produced on the 2nd of April, just 3 days ago, I had shown you this monthly chart for Bitcoin. It's what I've been paying attention to for Bitcoin as far as looking for a price movement to the upside. I am a fan of Bitcoin. I have done price analysis on it before. I have written posts on it on Steemit about it. I used to do a bi-monthly price analysis on Bitcoin, and I'm just now putting them on video. So what I've been looking at over the last few months with Bitcoin is the MACD, and the blue and yellow lines are signal lines, and when they get further apart, it's a sign that there's going to be a transition in price, and that the price will start to consolidate and either move up or down. It matters which way they're moving. And as we can see in early 2017, or excuse me, late 2017, this is December's movement, price action in Bitcoin in 2017 here, we can see that the MACD was getting further and further apart, and that momentum for the price was waning after December. And as we can see, it moved down in price, and the signal lines crossed, making a death cross. Now, death crosses can also happen in moving averages, which is essentially what these lines are. And the price, it's also a late indicator. Clearly, the price was already moving down. The death cross is a late indicator, but it's just another way to prove that the price is also going to continue to go down, which is what happened. And so anyways, we can see that happened, that the price continued to move down. It moved down below the 5,000 level in November. And my last blog post, I believe, on Steemit was in September, and where I stated that I expected more downside. And that's what we got. The price of Bitcoin continued to fall down, and as we can see, the signal lines of the MACD moved apart, and now they look like they may be transitioning and about to, in the months to come, to move up again, and possibly do a golden cross, which will be a late indicator, because now is the time to see that when this transition will take place. And the $5,000 level is a major resistance level. So is 6,000. Really, the area between 5 and 6,000 is what Bitcoin needs to cross for further upside to occur. So that is the review and the outlook for Bitcoin on the long term. I'm going to jump to the 4-hour chart to show you what I've seen in the short term. And we can still see the MACD. It's moved far apart. We can see the transition where it has started to move together, and where the death cross came. When it moves to the upside, it's called a golden cross. When the blue line crosses above the yellow line, it's called a golden cross. So anyways, we can now see a rising wedge in the price of Bitcoin. It is a negative pattern. And however, there is support for Bitcoin at the 4660, 4670 level. So we could see it fall back down to that level, but it's kind of doubtful. It's kind of looking like we're seeing more price support level between the 5,000 and 4,800 level. So I do expect to see Bitcoin to consolidate in price to, this is a negative pattern, the rising wedge, to consolidate in price. But I really would be surprised if it fell below the 4650 level. So that's really the outlook, for the short-term outlook for Bitcoin. I do look for some consolidation, and then it's really up to traders how it's going to move, and the sentiment in the market of Bitcoin, because it's really too volatile to call on a short-term level as far as what it's going to do. As far as, you know, days ahead. So that's the reason why I will likely be posting videos for Bitcoin. Most likely twice a week. It matters how it moves. Hopefully this level will stay solid for Bitcoin. Really, the 4650 level is support now for Bitcoin, and we'll have to see if it can stay above that level, and it will have to pop up above the 5370 level, 60 level, to show traders that it is also going to continue to march higher. And like I said earlier in this video, it will need to break the $6,000 level to really convince a lot of traders that that more upside is to be expected. So I thank you for your time. Take care, and God bless.